Hi guys, you're welcome to my channel. My name is Michael and this is Mike Mode Fashion Tutorial. Please, if you're just joining this channel for the very first time, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please send me thumbs up and also send comments on this channel. On this channel we started a series in our last for some time now. We have been doing a series on dart manipulations, and we're actually on the single dart series. We're on the single dart series, and we have been able to work on the waist dart. We've been able to work on the French dart, the side dart or the straight dart, the mid armhole dart, the shoulder tip dart, the mid shoulder dart, the mid neck dart, the center front neck dart. So this time around we continue in that same line or in that same series, and today what we are going to be working on is we're going to be working on the center front waist dart. So we are going to be moving the darts we have on our waist to our center front. So this time around we'll go on a short break. Please don't leave the dart. We'll be back. You're welcome back to my channel. This time around I've traced my pattern as usual, the way I do. Please, if you have not seen how this bodice was drafted, please, I have a video on it to go see how this bodice was drafted. So I traced this body into another paper entirely. So I'll be using this paper for the purpose of a demonstration. Now, looking at our waist dart, we'll be taking this waist dart to our center front waist, which is this part. So this is our center front waist, this part, and I will just take a line from the apex or the bust points to the center front. As you can see what I've done here. So what I'll just do next is that, remember, we've been working on two methods. We've been working on the slash spread technique, and we have also been working on the pivotal transfer technique. But first we're starting with the slash spread technique. So I'm going to slash this from the center front waist to my apex. So we'll be taking that towards this direction. And we'll be taping. You can see it's as simple as ABC. Let me just trim this a bit so we don't miss our dart line. This point right now is our center front waist dart right now. So the next thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be just placing a paper under that. Then we're going to be taping the paper to, we're going to be taping the pattern to the paper below, just to have a single piece. Just to have a single piece of that. And I'll just pick up my ruler and my pencil, and I'm going to be drawing my dart leg from the apex. Drawing my dart leg from the apex. So the next thing is I'll be trying my dart. Now this time around I'll be folding my dart leg towards the center front. I'll be folding my dart leg towards the center front this way. Remember, this bust point has to arc. After I've done that, I'll just pick up my tracing wheel and I'll trace. towards the center front. Okay, and when I open up, this is what I will have. Then with my ruler and pencil, I'll just follow the lines. The next thing for me to do is to cut. I'll cut the excesses. Okay, I'll just cut off the excesses. Okay, and this is what I have. Let's not forget that we always have to come down by 1 inch. Always have to come down by 1 inch. Because we don't want to sew from the apex. Then we redraw our dart legs in order to release fullness at the bust point area. Okay, so voila, that is it for the slash spread technique. So right now we're going to be going to the pivotal transfer technique right now. For the pivotal transfer technique, I have my push pin here in my hand. So I've just placed my pattern on another paper. I will just push my push pin through my bust point area. And here I have labeled the first dart leg here in front as A. Labeled the second dart leg here as B. So I'll be labeling the center front waist where we'll be transferring these darts to as C, which is this point. Okay, so what I'll do first things first is I'll trace from A and stop at point C. This is my point C, so I'll stop here at point C. Okay, after doing that, what I do next is I'm going to pivot this B to the point where this A is. I'm going to be pivoting this B to the point where this A is, this way. Okay, and I'll be tracing that. I'll be tracing through the pattern. Okay, while tracing notes, when I get to point C again, I would stop. This is my point C, so at this point C I would stop. And when I stop, okay, let me just mark a dot here indicating my bust point. I'll remove my pattern and my push pin. Then with a ruler, I will just connect my dart lines from the bust point. Okay, and voila, that is it. Okay, so the next thing is to throw our dart like what we did in the first part. We'll throw our dart, then we come down by 1 inch, then we draw our dart legs. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to get a calico fabric and I'm going to stitch this up, and we're going to get to see the results of this. So let's go sew. Alright guys, at this moment I've been able to cut this into a piece of calico fabric, and I've been able to sew, and this is the result of our dart. Okay, this is the result of our dart, our center front dart. This is what it came out as at the end of the day. You can see how beautiful this is. So that's to tell us that we have many options within a pattern frame of which we could take a dart to, okay, in our designs. And let's not forget that darts, one way or the other, we must use that in a garment, because that is that thing that actually brings about fit of a garment. Okay, one way or the other, we'll be using our darts. So at this moment, we have come to the wrap. We have come to the end of this tutorial. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please send me thumbs up, okay, to be encouraged. And also click on the notification bell so that when we send new videos, you'll be able to get notifications on, okay, and new videos that will be uploaded on this channel. Till I come your way again. Do have a nice time. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.